Go do an audio check. Test audio. Okay, sounds good. We are live. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Discourager of Hesitancy. Today, we are going to do something completely different. First stream will be a little bit on the short side. I've got some family from out of town coming for a visit. But then we will do a second stream later. So first stream, the plan is we're going to do some tabletop game design. More on the world building side. I tend to be very mechanics focused. So we'll talk about all the details shortly. But we're going to do some world building instead. That way I get a little change of pace. Then when my family comes, I'll kill the stream. And when I come back, we will do compilers. If I remember what we even left off on last Friday. So, if that all sounds good, I need to decide how we're doing this. So, world building. Let's just do a little spitballing here. Scratch, buffer, world building. We could start with text docs, documents. We could start with a wiki. The other question is, we could also do online versus offline design. So the question is, where do the design artifacts live? Some considerations are versioning, searchability. As the world grows, I want to be able to find things quickly. So, I realize the chat has not exactly filled up here. So I guess I can't ask anybody for advice. So one thing I was thinking of is let's see here. I don't want anything served up on the cloud right now. I'm not collaborating with anyone. Is there a program that provides easy local wiki setup? There's the old TiddlyWiki. Do I need to write my own wiki software? Personal wiki engines. Let's see. So I've tried to share. Well, maybe if I do this right, come over here to OBS. Can I share my browser? There it is. No, wrong. I don't want that one. That is entirely wrong. Oh, why? Okay. If I delete my browser, or can I add a new one? Add a window capture. Browser. We'll call it browser. Okay. No, I don't want this. Window title must match. Let's see, where is my mouse? Try to find a way to select a window. Match title, otherwise find window of same executable. I don't want this window. Is it because... Okay, let's cheat. We're going to cheat. We're going to move. OBS is making my life difficult here. Cancel. We're adding a new one. Actually, let's just delete this old browser capture. Remove. Add window capture. And there it is. Of course it is. Now, why that doesn't work when it's on a different window, I do not know. But here we are. So, one thing I was looking at was Obsidian. I've heard good things about it. Local wiki, honestly, TiddlyWiki is still the one that keeps coming up, and it's dead simple to run. Does personal wiki? Moin Moin is written in Python. TWiki, let's see here. TiddlyWiki. Oh, I could go org mode. Obsidian knowledge-based note-taking software. Markdown files features a graph database like view. Note. Tomboy. I don't know about plugins. Simple user. I mean, honestly, is TiddlyWiki the way we're gonna go? So this is why I like TiddlyWiki. It's just a single file, period. That's it. You open it in your browser and you go. I mean, I already have Emacs. I know how Emacs works. Documents interlinked. Yeah, it's not really that convenient in a lot of ways. I may have to write my own wiki someday. But I keep coming back to TiddlyWiki. Any opinions? No, nobody's in the chat. All right, we're going to just start with TiddlyWiki then. If we don't like it, we can move things out later. All right. TiddlyWiki wins again. Every time I go look at this stuff, it's TiddlyWiki. Dead simple. We download. Oh. Has it changed? I do not want. What is this? These are zip files. This used to be a single file thing. What the? Desktop application. Oh, here we are. The easiest way to start is to send for. Oh no. Download an empty copy of TiddlyWiki. This is probably what I want. Empty.html. Perfect. Oh, okay. So we're going to put this in here. under active projects, we need a new folder. And our world is called Evergloom. Save. All right. Now, in theory, if I open up and quick access, unbelievable. Active projects. We go to Evergloom. I'm gonna make a copy of the empty so I don't have to go hunt it down again. We're gonna close that. Evergloom. We're gonna give it a title. Boom. Okay, getting started. Here we are. This is the start of a project. My TiddlyWiki. Set up this Evergloom subtitle. Default tiddlers. What's the subtitle? Welcome to a world, no day or night. Default tiddlers. We need to probably make one, which is going to be called something. I don't know. What the arts tell? Okay. More actions. What is this? It's been a while since I've used this. Okay. So I think that's it. I think we get rid of the getting started. Recent tools. We created the new tiddler, new journal, new image. Advanced search manager, tag manager. Okay, so the world of Evergloom. I'm going to slightly modify a couple of things about my OBS layout if I can see my mouse. OBS is doing strange things with my mouse. Where'd my mouse go? My mouse is gone. Good heavens. Come on. I can't see my cursor anywhere. Nope. OBS. Come on. Oh, wait. Did I almost see the mouse? Where's my mouse? Okay, I'm on OBS. Oh, no, not studio mode. Stop it. There. Okay. That did not give me back my mouse. We can hide Emacs, I guess. Where's... I wish I could see my mouse. Good heavens. Okay, one window capture. There. Emacs is gone. Now, can I I probably can't resize this reasonably. Alright, well, we're gonna see how this goes. We can make it bigger. Fully. OBS, why are you gonna be like this? Anyway, so we are going to add in some brief content. So, my problem is I have this idea. I've written like whole bullet lists and text documents, but making it something that might be even remotely presentable is going to be interesting. So, I'm just gonna start writing, and if anybody wants to join, they can. Um, really wish I knew where my mouse was, or why it went somewhere. It is. Okay, so Discord wasn't fighting over it. Anyway. Okay. Oh, that's what I wanted to know. Okay. We will need a better name for the Grand Library. To rename. I have no idea where my mouse went. That's gonna drive me bonkers. I love modern computers. Unbelievable. Clouds. Seasons. Fell from the sky. sometimes frozen. It was time of year. Okay. I'd like to save this one. If I knew where my mouse cursor was. Alright. So it's been saved. Now I can go back to editing it. I want to come back to that later, I think. Oh, I guess that is the bold. Okay. Okay, this is going to be its own entry. I need a synonym for purple, violet, crimson. Oh, thank you, AI. I would like a real web page not to be scraped. Thank you. In fact, it scraped it straight off thesaurus.com. This is like the same list. Lilac, plum, violaceous. A violet color, bluish purple. Eh, eh. If only I had a mouse cursor that would show up. Not magenta. Whoa! Amethyst, amaranthine, red wine, reddish purple. Periwinkle, grape, lavender wine, violet, pomegranate, heliotrope. Do I use violet? What is violaceous? Violaceous. If I can type. Can I get like a sample image that shows violaceous things? Where's my cursor? I've lost my cursor. There it is. Near Merriam-Webster. Okay, so we're way over on that side. Let's go up. Okay, so if we go to Kofi engine, which we were looking at, go straight down. There's images. Violacious. Unbelievable. Okay, so purple. Violacious color. See, that's more blue than I want. I think that purple, unfortunately, but purple is not a cool word. Ah, but there we go. So are we really down to violet? See, that's more like pinkish. Eh, there are some violets in here that are okay. Maybe we do have to call it the violet one. Okay. First, let's go temperature. Temperature is always the same. In a world of such uncertainty, and this really be the way the world should be. Mankind to always bow to the winds. Perhaps was a blessing. Well, distant, not safe. Sunstones, we will discuss. Light our villages, grow our crops. Let's see here. Let's see here. Is there a good thesaurus word for eternal? Forever? Oh gosh, I hate AI scraping other people's words. This is modern. I just want a web page that a human curated. Thank you. Okay, that's where my mouse is. Okay, abiding, boundless, infinite, everlasting, interminable, perpetual. Perpetual might work nicely. Abiding does have a nice sound though. Perpetual or abiding? Perpetual pools. Abiding. Perpetual pools. Always supply clean water. Let me see. Is there any good ones with that would work with like fighting? Maybe the pools. Maybe unceasing cistern. Perpetual pools or unceasing cistern? Or do cold or heat stroke? There are no seasons to dictate when we plant harvest. Okay. Cannot understand the will of the poor immortals any more than we understand the workings of the spike. Flares. We curse the beings of the immortals. Should we give our thanks to them? Oh, the reason. Though the I need to workshop a little bit the names here as well. Um, I think it's the same for this group. basically there are two opposing factions, which does not include all the population. Most of the population may not belong to either faction. But the Children of Light basically believe that the Earth is being protected, and it's man's duty to overcome the darkness. Whereas the other group believes that the world has changed and we must change with it. So rather than changing the world, they want to change mankind to adapt. I don't know if I want actual religion to be part of these groups at all, but there may be like religious overtones to some of their dogma or doctrine, you could say, even though it's not a deiftically aligned grouping. So the Children of Light and the what? Really wish I could see my mouse. I'm hoping when I end this session that we get the mouse back. Anyway, I don't know, shade, shadow, dark. The bringers of shadow, shade, of dark. Like, in this world, so the violet web, what I'm envisioning here, and maybe, no, you're off. Where's my mouse? Guess I shouldn't click around randomly. Okay, we're under header, we go straight up-ish, there's the delete. Okay, good. Let's see, embrace, accept. They don't really bring the darkness, they just want people to accept the darkness. Anyway, the violet web is basically, instead in the sky, instead of stars and moon, it's all black, except there are lots of intersecting lines of glowing purple power. Owen, get her down. Maybe things we want to workshop, we just leave in single brackets for now. Yeah, so the four mortals I like. The violet web, I could be persuaded there's a better word for it. You rename. The sunstones are fine. Perpetual pools or unceasing cisterns. Four mortals are fine. The spike is fine. Yeah, I think these need to be more workshopping. Oop, there we go. Okay, so imagine you're like in a tavern. There is a bard or storyteller, or whatever you want to call them. This is the kind of thing they might tell about the origin of the world. So we need to expand on this part. There, let's see. The heart of a volcano. Towards the violet line. The efforts, the lives of the effort was so was so great. Needed the assistance of all magic users. I am at the time. Combined. Wait, all. I don't want to use wizard, sage, warlock. Is there a good word for that? Maybe. I don't know. All mankind. Took lives of the immortals. Many decades. But you could do magic. Let me think. So basically, all the magic users in the whole world combine their efforts. Boom, most of them die. This piece, for a long time, there's no magic basically in mankind, or nothing to speak of, anyways. Wait, it's the I'm slightly curious what happens if I rename the Tiddler. It's been a while since I've used it. For many decades. The world not suffered, plotted. Leaving a lot of actual details out, like this is hundreds of years afterwards, and a lot of people have forgotten exactly what's going on. That I don't want to write. So let's see here. There are many tales of how this book became cursed. Hundreds of years. Day was split into two parts. Day, yellow sun, big light. Heat to the whole world. Pale blue sky. Midnight, the world cooled. Though the sky was black. Still, isn't it? Though dimly by the moon and stars. There's still pictures of these things in books in the Grand Library or something. Clouds and seasons when the world became older. Covered the sky. Water fell from them. Okay, so she's been on the realms. The four mortals planned a new world for us, sitting on their enchanted thrones. The heart of a volcano they forgot. They forged the violet web or something. The effort was so great that they needed the help of all magic users alive at the time. Even with my magical mankind, still it took the lives of all but the immortals. Decades the world was out without powerful magic users. After time, the magic returned to mankind in new ways. As we have them today. Arbitrarily cursed, or deservedly, or some forgotten. Sin. Wrong? That's sin. The destiny for world or a derailment. Derailment might or might not be a word we can use. I haven't decided if we're allowing like steampunk train type things here or not. Still lots of world building to be done. What else was content type? Okay. I really wish I could see my mouse. That would make life so much easier. Those understanding. Derailment deflection. Okay. Oof, it's almost 1 o'clock. They said they would be here at 1, so we'll see how on time they are. Let's see if we can use our mouse to save it. Okay, so good. If we use a single bracket, we can just mark things to be renamed. But we have the 4 immortals, we have the sunstones on the spike, not the violet web. The violet web isn't bad. But yes, we have those things to define. I was thinking about getting some artwork maybe started, but I don't know if we'll have much time. I need to use a restroom, so I'm going to see if I can figure out where my mouse is long enough to mute. Never mind, I'm just going to mute the audio at the collector. I'll be right back. Ooh, shoot, let's see. So if I go down here, can I turn this bad boy on? I can. And I can put it. Nope, not that way. Nope, not that way. And put it above. There we go. And we will just shut off the mic. Be back in a minute. Audio check. Okay. Yes, Anna, I do remember you. How's it going? So far, Things are good, except I lost my mouse somewhere. My mouse cursor won't show up. I think it's an OBS problem. So everything is taking me longer than I first intended. I don't even know where my mouse is right now. Good heavens. All the way up here. Oh. You know what? I did not update the game and the title. Let's see here. World building. Evergloom. What? Suppose I can tab to where done is. Oh. Building and okay. Wow, so many things to tab through. Done. There we go. So there's my mouse over chat. It's weird. This is like the first time this has ever happened to me where I lose my mouse. Nope. If only I knew where my mouse was. I was planning on a short stream today anyway, so accidentally hit the audio control. There we go. Audio's back on track. There we go. Now we're back on it. Okay. So far, so good. Okay, let's see. My mouse. Where is my mouse? Oh, wait, I found it. Yeah, this is kind of unworkable without a mouse. I may have to end the stream even earlier than I thought. Try and figure out where my mouse went. That's annoying. Yeah, Anna, if I'm right, you're still in my Discord. You can feel free to drop me a message. But yeah, I just can't work like this. This is not working without a mouse. So I think we're gonna end the stream a little early. We'll be back on later. I'll throw another announcement into the Discord, and we'll pick up there probably with compilers. But we got to start on this project, so not bad. Catch you later. Bye.